Hi, it's Claire and welcome to Need to Say More. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a ripped duvet cover in under 2 minutes. So my duvet cover has got a little tiny rip in it like this, and we all know a rip like this is only going to get bigger. So you need to get a little patch. I've used the corner of a pillowcase because it's matching, but you could use a plain white or plain grey. You want to pin it in place, and then we're going to stitch it in place using the sewing machine. So we're going to use a simple straight stitch on a normal setting, and we're going to go forward and back over the area where the patch is and to secure the rip. So you want to start going in one direction across the rip. So you're going to do a series of straight stitches, and then you're going to go back on yourself using the reverse stitch. So sew a line forward, hold down the reverse, go back to where you started, sew another line and go forward. It doesn't matter if these lines aren't perfectly straight, as long as you go in forward and back over the rip in the same forward and back direction, it will secure it in place. Once you've done this across the length of the rip, you want to turn the fabric a 90-degree angle, and then you're going to go in the other direction to almost make a grid over the rip. So that's what it looks like. So you've gone forward and back in one direction, done a 90-degree turn, and then gone forward and back. At this point, if there's excess fabric around the patch, you can just trim this off to make it nice and neat. There we go. So once it's on your duvet cover, you'll hardly notice, and it saves it from going to landfill.